Chris's 60 Polara. We've had a little issue with the vacuum advance. It's been running really odd, and while talking to Paul, and we team up all the time, we came to the determination that it is the vacuum advance canister on the distributor. So we're gonna get in there. We got a replacement that came in, and we're gonna dig in, see what we got. All right, so we got our distributor cap off. There's our Prestolite kit that I actually had to take 3 different Prestolite kits and piece them together to make them work. This is a Prestolite Distributor that's in a 1960 Polara, as I've said. Factory 4-barrel. Pretty damn neat. Anyway, this car's awesome, by the way. One thing we had to do, like I said, took 3 different Prestolite kits to piecemeal together. I actually had to make an advance plate for it because both Prestolite kits had different pieces that would work on part of it, and then the actual Mopar distributor kit had one component that would work in it. So we took 3 and made 1. So anyway, today our issue is here, the vacuum advance. Looking down, you can see that it's straight and then comes up to its pin to the advance plate. So we got this one in today, and my hands don't want to work. It kind of doesn't want to jive. As you can see, it goes out and down with the pin. We can't flip it around, can't flip it over. We need to go hunting. So I will be contacting our vendor. I'll be doing some research. This car's cool. It's got aftermarket AC on it, but it blows cold. I mean, it's a 134 kit, blows cold. Car works great. Car drives great, except now for this, but man, it is a great car.